Another option to save your files is to use the OneDrive, and I'm going to be honest that I really don't know how much space each of our OneDrives actually has, but I can just show you if you have smaller, Word document files and you just want to back them up, they would be online, basically through your email. Remember, through your mobile email right here, the little waffle. I think here it is, the OneDrive. So this is kind of where you could save files that way, but it's much easier not to use the mobile interface. It's easier another way. So what I would do is I would click on your File Explorer. On yours, it should have this option for OneDrive, but you're not logged in yet. So if you just double click on it, it should ask you to input your school email, your school password. It would sync up all the folders right there. So once it's logged in, you're always going to see this thing here, this little check saying it's updated, and you would just click on there, and as you can already see, this was a file that I put on there at the beginning of August, and it's still here, and somehow I've already added a substitute folder. And some of these other files these folders are already there. They're somehow synced to my email. But if you wanted to just make a new folder, you would just right click, go to new, go to folder, and once again, you could name it. And as you can see, it's syncing right now. And okay, so it's all there already. So then you would just double click, and you would open a new one. And you would go to wherever you had files that you wanted to save. So let's say I want to save this. So right click, copy, drag over from my H drive. I'm here on my OneDrive. Right click, paste. Okay, it's syncing it. There's the green check mark. So if I go back here, and I'm in the backup files right there. So if I go back here, and if I look here, and if I click sync, it might work. Let's see. And as you can see, I do not see the newest file, but I'm going to go ahead and start the sync and just see what happens here. And it's probably because I changed my password. That might possibly be it. But anyway, hypothetically, it should, maybe if I logged out, maybe if I go somewhere else, but it should sync that so that whenever you go back, there it is, okay? So there it is. It just came there. So as you can see, it has the file. So that is another option you have, and I know that is a totally different thing we haven't really done before. So if you need help with OneDrive, just let me know. All right, there you go.